Hey guys, long time no see. I know, blame it on me because it's definitely my fault. My name is Ashley. How y'all doing? Your life has gotten away from me. I have not picked up the camera. I have not been on my routines. Let's get that back on schedule, black flowing, and I would just do a little praise report and say that I have been consistent with my actual routines for about maybe 3 consistent weeks. Yep, me. Yeah. Did I pick up the camera in those 3 weeks? No, but I did it for this one. Hey. Anyways, yes, the main living area is always clean in my house. Like, this is a part of the kids' chores and those things like that. So this area typically stays clean. However, when it comes to my room, as you guys are gonna see in just a few, the grace, guys, the grace. Don't judge me. I work, my hubby works, and this area, it gets clean, but it gets pushed back. And then once it gets pushed back, I get out of whack. Oh, I'm rhyming, y'all, but all this to say, y'all about to see it. I'm cringe myself. Anyways, let's get to it. Before it was just straightening up, but as you can see, and this is just my side of the bed, it gotta be cleaned up. It gotta be cleaned up. So we're gonna get that done, and then we're gonna deep clean the bathroom. I'll be popping in and out to, get a little talk through because I feel like it. And yeah, we just gonna keep the video rolling, and hopefully it gives someone some motivation. But hopefully you guys aren't like me at all, and your room is spick and span and perfect like it should be. The amount of water bottles and food that is around my room. Y'all see that box of Pop-Tarts? That's so the kids won't be eating them up after school and stuff. That was, one of those mom situations where I had to regulate how much food was coming in and out of this house. Yeah, that. These videos back, I just realized how much grace I must give myself. Like, this room is a lot smaller than what we're used to, so the smallest amount of clutter accumulated on any surface in any portion of this apartment looks like a big mess. But in reality, it only takes me a few minutes to clear this stuff out. In reality, it would only take me 1 minute to put it where it should be when I put it out of place. But again, the word of the day is grace. And boom, we're done with that room. On to the bathroom. What I am noticing about myself is this is a day after a in-office work day. All of my products are out. The iron is out. Things are out of place. Dinner from last night was eaten in the bed because I be tired sometimes. And I also went to the gym that night, so it's a lot. We had a takeout. I know we went to the gym that night because we had Panda Express, and that's like right in the gym area. So, not me giving excuses for myself, but I am. So there's this guy on TikTok that believes in cleaning in piles. And though I don't love his method, I do agree with the tactic of throwing in piles. Like, there's a pair of shoes that followed me from the living room and then threw it on the floor in this room. There's something that was in this bathroom that I threw back into my bedroom. Even though my bedroom is clean, it belongs in that room, so I kind of toss it in the direction of where it should be. Oh, let me give y'all the backstory of where all these products are out here. So, typically I like my stuff to look like, it's unlived in. I like my room and my bathroom to look, very staged. I think that's beautiful. But I am in the process of figuring out the perfect skincare regimen for myself, and also getting rid of products that I have accumulated over years and years. So I've pulled out everything that I use or should be using up so that I can use them all. No worries, these things are back in my, drawers, because I do have 6 of them. But at this time of the process, I just wanted to see everything so I can use everything. That makes sense? Girl math, right? Yeah. I've always done like a dry wipe to get all the hair and stuff that's on the counters off the counters. But then I've also have started, what is wrong with my speech? Using that microfiber, that green cloth is a microfiber cloth. I wet it, I wipe off all the surfaces of anything that's just there. And most of the time it's like my hair products or some type of little makeup or whatever. But I wipe it down before I use a actual cleaning agent. So that's what I'm doing now. Ever since Babe bought this cleaning spray home, it's a power wash. I think it's by Lysol. Oh my God, I love it so much. And I don't know if it's because I like how it looks when it sprays out and I can just see the foam and bubbles in action, or that it is really awesome cleaner, because it's both and I really do enjoy it. I'm gonna link it down below because for some strange reason, I just can't remember the name. I believe it's Lysol, but I don't want to be lying on Clorox. I don't know. Anyways, I've been using this all over the bathroom, everywhere you're gonna see it, because I use it and I love it, because I just like seeing the bubbles and stuff. I even started using dish soap in my shower. Like, why? Because I want to see the bubbles, I want to see the suds. Yeah, but you're not gonna see that in this video. It's something I just did today. The way I'm aggravated just seeing this sitting back on the counter is triggering. Yes, so according to my OCD, those products must go back in the drawers, hidden away from plain sight. And they did. They did. I did this whole little situation for maybe about 2 to 3 weeks. But yeah. Oh, it's Lysol. I wasn't lying. It is Lysol, y'all. It was Lysol cleaning spray. It's this camera angle for me, because why do I look so big and why does my toilet look so little? I look like a giant in a dollhouse. Like, I guess it's a sign from the universe. I never clean my toilet on camera. I just think it's gross. But I'm cleaning it today. You don't see that? It gets clean. It's just, I don't want to see nobody else's toilet, and I just feel like it's wrong for y'all to see mine. So I did purchase a while back one of these silicone cleaning brushes. I love her to death. It's all sustainable and whatnot, so yay. And then I always put one of these Lysol flowers in my toilet. I love how it looks. It's so cute and it smells good. If you're not closing your toilet after you pop it in, you're wasting it. I feel like that's how it works. And you're trifling if you don't close your toilet lid. Yeah, so for this part, I got a little tired. So I did not do the water down, wipe down situation in my shower. I went right on in with the Lysol Power Scrub and my little hand brush to, just break down anything that is there and existing. I usually do this without clothes on. That's one of the reasons why, I think I rushed through this part, because I usually do this, in cahoots with me taking a shower. I just, it's a small space and, I have on full clothes. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna put everything back and then get on with the full shower clean. And that's part of the glass, the floors, the tiles, stuff like that. Yeah. So I generally do a double cleanse on the glass of my shower, kind of like how you would do your face. You clean off your makeup and then you re-clean your face to get down into your pores. I deep cleaned with a cleaning agent. Of course, this time I'm using the Old Faithful Lysol, and then I'll go back in with the glass cleaner. And you guys, I absolutely hate this little plastic thing that keeps the water from going onto the floor. I don't like it. It's not invented to keep it clean. and then it just looks disgusting when it's not clean. I hate it so much. If you guys got a hack of how to keep this thing clean, or at least an easier method to get it clean, let me know that in the comments. Like I said, I hate this thing. So as far as the floor of my shower, I'm using a cocktail of cleaners. I'm using a Clorox and then a liquid Comet. I don't know why I used the Comet here. I just kind of wanted to get rid of the bottle, to be honest with you. And I'm using my manual extended scrubber. I absolutely enjoy this thing. I had the power one, but it broke. I can manhandle this one, and I feel like I'm getting a better clean when I'm using the manual scrubber. So yeah, I'm just scrubbing it down, getting it clean. Nothing special to see. And this is that second half of that double cleanse that I do with my glass. I'm just wiping it down with my Perfect Glass cleaner. Y'all know I love that cleaner. I'm starting to use the spray away one. That one's pretty dope too. I use that in the kids' bathroom, or the kids use that in their bathroom. But that one's dope too, and I like how it sprays. I only use glass cleaner on the outside. Of course, the outside does not have any soap scum or anything like that. Remove everything out my bathtub. This thing, it gets dirty, and I'm going to blame someone that uses this bathroom. It always tends to get Epsom salt on it, and Epsom salt gets stuck to it, and I don't like that. I don't like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe that down. I'm wiping down everything because, of course, dust gets back here on these candles, and I'm just gonna hit every corner. Same method as before. I am dry wiping everything into the shower, and then I'm going to go back in with water and then the cleaning agent. Again, this manual scrubber comes in clutch. My bathtub is not that, wide, but my old bathtub was in the previous one. So yeah, these things are extremely handy when it comes to the bathtubs. We are nearly done with a quick sweep and then a light Swiffer mop because, y'all, I don't want to do this no more. I'm tired. So I'm going to pull that Swiffer out with a new pad and some cleaning liquid and get this floor cleaned up and be on our way to relaxation. We're done, and now everything is nice and clean. Whew, that does not look clean over there in that corner. Y'all, I'm gonna deal with that. Don't even worry about it. That look good though, that look good, girl. Yeah. And I threw my rugs in the wash, and they're not done yet. So I have rugs. I'm not a barbarian. Here I go with my excuses. My bed is set for bedtime. This is an after work clean, and yeah, that bed is ready to get in it. Yeah, there's no extra pillows or nothing. It was just ready. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Go ahead and drop me a greater than 3 sign down at the bottom to let me know that you did that. And if it goes to a regular red heart, girl, I know you tried. Till next time, friends. Peace.